Good morning, students. Welcome back to my science online class. Today we will start a new chapter from your science book, okay? Which is chapter 8, clothing. So all of you open your books, page number 73. See, clothing. Introduction. Number 1 point, purpose of wearing clothes. Number 2, clothing for different season. Number 3, materials used in making clothes. Number 4, clothes for different reasons. Number 5, special dresses. Number 6, care of clothes. So in this chapter we are going to learn these topics, okay? Clothing for different seasons. There are different seasons we have to face, and the clothes which are used in different seasons are also different. See, summer, winter and rainy. The clothes which we used to wear in these seasons are different. The clothes which are used in winter, we cannot wear that same clothes in summer, right? Because in winter we use woolen clothes, but in summer we can't wear woolen clothes, right? So that's why different clothes are worn by men in different season, okay? See, clothing is one of the basic needs of humans to survive. There are some basic needs of humans, which is food, shelter and clothes, and clothing is one of the basic needs of humans to survive. This is one of the basic need, okay? Human beings in earlier days looked different from how we look today. The early men looked different from us because they did not know what to wear, what to eat, how to cook food, how to dress. They lived in jungle. They had no idea about clothes. They did not wear anything. They only use the leaves, bark of trees and skin of animals to cover their body. They did not know the use of clothes, different types of clothes. They used leaves, bark of trees and skin of animals to cover their body, okay? After many years, man learned the art of weaving cloth and stitching clothes from it. So after many years, after development, man learned the art of weaving cloth and stitching clothes from it, okay? So early men did not know how to use clothes, okay? Different types of clothes are used by people nowadays. So nowadays different types, different designer clothes are worn by people. We use different clothes from different purpose. So in wedding we wear different types of clothes, and in case of some rituals we wear different types of clothes. So different purpose we use different clothes, different designer clothes. Purpose of wearing clothes. Why we wear clothes? We wear clothes for different purpose. We all need clothes to cover our body. First of all, why we need clothes? To cover our body. This is the first need, okay? Clothes protects us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. In summer we wear cotton clothes, in cold we wear woolen clothes, like that. So clothes protects us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes also protect us from insect bites. Clothes makes us feel smart, and a good attire makes us feel confident. So when we wear clothes, it makes us feel smart and good attire. If you wear a good clothes, standard clothes, then it makes us feel confident to face anything. Okay, face anything means to meet someone, to attend a meeting, like that. Okay, the job of a person can also be identified through his or her clothes. How we can identify the job of a person through his or her clothes? Because nowadays in every places like schools and nursing colleges all have uniforms, and we can identify them that what they are doing. They are a school students, they are a nursing student, or in some working places also they have uniforms, and we can easily identify that this man do this job. Okay, see, clothing for different season. In different season we use different types of clothes. Summer, what type of clothes we wear in summer? We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In summer we wear white or light colored clothes. In summer we use white or light colored clothes to keep our body cool. They reflect the heat away and keep our body cool. If we wear white or light color, then it reflects the heat away and keep our body cool. We should avoid wearing black clothes because it retains heat. We should avoid wearing black clothes in summer. Why? Because black color retain heat, it absorbs heat, so we should avoid wearing black color in summer season. And we should wear light colored or white clothes. Okay, in very hot summer we wear cotton clothes. In very hot summer, then we wear cotton clothes. It allows the heat of the body to escape. It allows the heat of the body to escape from the body. Cotton cloths are made using the fibers of cotton flowers. How cotton cloths are made? Cotton cloths are made using the fibers of cotton flowers. Cotton fabric is very light and water absorbent. Cotton can absorb water. It allows air to pass through and absorb the sweat and helps to keep us cool. So in summer, sweating is occur, and if we wear cotton clothes, then it allows air to pass through these clothes and absorb the sweat and helps to keep our body cool. Okay, see, winter. In winter we wear clothes made of wool. So in winter we wear woolen clothes like sweater, jacket, etc. We wear woolen clothes such as coats, sweater, woolen trousers, scarves, woolen caps, socks and gloves to protect our body from cold. So to protect our body from cold, we wear these woolen clothes in winter, right? Warm clothes are made with woolen fiber. Warm clothes are made with woolen fiber. Wool is obtained from sheep or other animals with thick fur. The animals which have thick fur, from them wool is obtained, like the animal sheep. Woolen fiber is very thick and soft and absorbs heat. The woolen fiber is very thick and soft and absorbs heat. It helps us to keep our body warm, so that we wear these woolen clothes because it helps us to keep our body warm in the winter season and protects us from the bitter cold. Okay, see, rainy season. What type of clothes we wear in rainy season? In rainy season we wear raincoats and gumboots. So to protect us from rain, we use raincoats in rainy season and also gumboots. They are made of plastic fiber. These are made of plastic fibers. They does not allow water or air to pass through them. This plastic fiber, this raincoat and gumboots are made of plastic fiber. They does not allow water or air to pass through them. If they allow water to pass through them, then there will be no need to wear that. So as they do not allow water to pass through them, we used to wear raincoats and gumboots in the rainy season to protect us from rain. They are waterproof. They protect us from water, so that we wear this type of clothes. And in different season we wear different types of clothes. So students, I hope you all understand today's topics. So read the topics I have taught you today and send your audio clips to this group. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.